In this video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Warframe account on Warframe Mobile. Now, all you have to do is launch your game on your mobile, and then you should get to the home screen. And then from here, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, and then select Options from the menu that appears. Now, within the options, select this icon, the last one, which looks like an email icon. Tap on it, and then you should see the Permanently Delete Your Account option, and select it. Now from here, it will take you to the support.warframe.com, and all you have to do is simply scroll down and select, you can submit your request here. You can simply tap on here, or you can simply select submit a request. Now once you submit a request, you should see different categories you can choose from. All you have to do is select my account, and then you should see these brief questions that you need to answer. So you have to put the subject for that particular reason as to why you want your account deleted. So if, let's say for instance, I want my account deleted, you can type it there, and then you can give a brief description. And also on the category, here's the most important bit. Tap on category, and then from here you have to select CCPA or GDPR, or the General Data Protection Regulation option. And then you choose the platform that you'd like your account to be deleted from. Select mobile. And if you have any other additional files, you can simply select add files, and then you can simply add them from there. Now once you've filled everything, simply select submit, and then the support will contact you so that you can proceed with your account deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.